Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Iwatch off and removing the band. This prevents sparks and gives full access. Once done, place the watch on an anti-static mat and use a controlled heat source at about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius for roughly 1 minute to soften the adhesive. Next, attach a small suction cup near the edge and use a thin plastic pick to create a gap. Work slowly on one side only to avoid bending the OLED. These first steps set you up for safe, precise separation. You now lift the screen just enough to reveal the internal flex cables and shielding. Do not hinge it fully because that stresses ribbon connectors. Once exposed, use a plastic spudger to unclip the display and battery flexes. Press the latch, then slide the ribbon out. After disconnection, clean remaining adhesive from both frame and display edges with 90% isopropyl on a lint-free swab so fresh adhesive bonds reliably. Make sure surfaces are dry and free of dust. You place pre-cut adhesive strips precisely on the case rim, align the display starting at one hinge point, and lower it straight down to avoid trapping dust. Once seated, press around the perimeter evenly for about 30 seconds to ensure contact. Reconnect the display and battery flexes, power the watch on, and run a touch and sensor check. If touch is inconsistent, power off and reseat connectors. A key troubleshooting tip: if the screen pops back up, reheat gently and replace adhesive. Connector misalignment often causes uneven pressure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.